What's up, family? Welcome to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Welcome to another edition. Happy Focused Year, top of 2019 to everybody. Today, what we got is the Google Home Hub. This is a Google Assistant, 7.0 inch screen, speaker. You can ask it, it's like Alexa, but you can ask it to do whatever you want to do. Find directions, weather, sports, news, pretty much everything like that. Right now you can get it anywhere online, $100. It would cost $150 about 2 months ago. Right now it's $100. I've been rocking with it for a minute, so maybe for like a month and a half. So I like it. You might not like it. You might think it's gimmicky or whatever, but I'm rocking with it. So here's the box. Here's stuff that you can ask it. Google Calendar. You can ask it to add doctor's appointments, where the bakery's at nearby. It can show like your Nest cameras. It doesn't have Ring capabilities yet, but it does have Nest capabilities. We're gonna check that out later. YouTube Music, Spotify, and Google Photos. Anything that's in your Google Photos or your Google iCloud, you can watch a slideshow on the screen while it's in standby. Again, I said it got a 7.0 screen on it. Pretty nice screen. Here we go at a glance. Command your day. Play your favorite songs. Simplify your smart home. Relive your memories. Answer at any moment. And make hands-free calls via the Duo app. So that's pretty much all we got. Right here we got the 7-inch touchscreen display. Light sensor. 2 mics on the top. And it got a speaker in the back. Got the voice match, multi-room audio, Bluetooth 5, which is great for update for current iPhones and Android. Works with Android and iOS, 2.45 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So it's top of the line. Anything you need, it's on here. Due to the interest of time, like I said, I've been rocking with it for a minute. I already got it unboxed. Let's check it out. This is the unit right here. 7.0 screen again. You could watch, this is built-in, screen canvases or whatever. This is called Street Art, so you could check that out. You could replace this with your videos, not your videos, sorry. You could replace this with your photos in your Google Photo settings, and it shows crystal clear. You can't beat it. These are your 2 microphones, and this is an ambient setting. So the ambient setting is pretty much something that Google put inside the Google Home Hub, that if it's light, it'll brighten up the screen. If it's dark, it'll darken the screen. So at night, when you turn out the lights and go to sleep, it'll make the screen dark. It won't be like a glowing bright light in your room to make to like a night light or nothing like that, to make you, disturb your sleep or anything like that. If it's dark in the room, it's gonna go to dark settings. And if it's light in the room, you're gonna be able to, watch your Google Photos, scroll across the app. You can set different times, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, on how fast you want the photos to scroll across the screen. It has a speaker in the back. You can see that speaker right here. It has a mute button.
The mic's off.
It has a volume rocker right here, up and down. Speaker's pretty loud. We're gonna check that out in a minute. Let me turn the mic back on. We're gonna ask it some questions.
The mic's back on.
Okay, Google. What's the weather for the week?
Today through Thursday in Thiels, it'll be cloudy with lows around 27. Highs will be in the mid-50s today, be in the mid-30s tomorrow, then be in the low 40s on Thursday.
Goes to the whole week.
Friday, it'll be mostly sunny with a high of 44 and a low of 35. Saturday, it'll be rainy with a high of 41 and a low of 35.
Okay, Google. What time is it?
It's 4:20.
Okay, Google. Read my news briefing.
Here's the latest news. From Reuters TV US at 3:45 a.m. today.
From Reuters TV, here are the top stories. U.S. stocks limp toward the finish of a tumultuous 2018.
I'm in this fight all the way.
She took on Wall Street and now she's aiming for the White House.
The Vatican ends the year with more resignations.
This is Reuters Now. U.S. stocks closed up Monday despite 2018 being Wall Street's worst year in a decade.
Okay, Google.
With the S&P.
Stop. So you hear that screen? Pretty good screen. You hear the screen. Sorry. You see that screen? Pretty clear screen. You hear the speakers? Pretty good speakers. All right. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. You know, I'm already celebrating. So pardon the mishaps. But you know, we rocking. No editing, no nothing. We going right in. So screen is clear, speakers crystal clear. You can't beat that. I'm sure you guys heard that on the audio. I'm gonna play some music and we're gonna rock out. We're gonna see how that speaker sound in the back again with some music. You connected to your Bluetooth. Pretty much you say, okay Google, connect to my phone.
You can connect a mobile device to your speaker by saying, pair Bluetooth. Once your mobile device is paired and connected to your speaker, you can listen to music and playlists using Bluetooth.
Okay, Google, pair Bluetooth.
Alright, to connect, open Bluetooth settings and look for the device called Family Pix.
You see it on my phone right there. We're gonna connect it. See it right there? It's connected to my phone. Right there. MRSOFOCUSED. That's the name of my phone. Alright, we got some tunes again. Supplied by my nephew. If you want, hit him up. Well, hit me up. I'm sofocused@gmail.com. And I'll put you in touch with him if you like what you hear. But let's rock out. Let's see how this sounds real quick on this Bluetooth. Touch screen. Check it out. Full volume. We're gonna rock out. Let's see how this goes. Sounds pretty good. Let's wait for that beat to drop and you're gonna hear it.
Yo, Rod, turn this shit up.
Let's get one more song.
Yo, Rod, turn this shit up.
All right, so like I said, speaker crystal clear, you can't go wrong. If you're in a small room, you're gonna hear a little bit better. I'm in the studio right now, it's a pretty big room, so you know I got some echoing sounds. But like if you're in the bathroom, your bedroom, dorm room, wherever, small room, closing, closed setting, the speaker sounds top notch. Can't go wrong, trust me. All right, like I said, it's not compatible with the Ring system yet, but it is compatible with the Nest system. I got a Nest camera in my garage. I'm gonna show you right now how it connects to the garage. So pretty much what you would do is you would just say, okay Google, show garage camera.
Sure, streaming the garage.
Boom. Wait, let's do that again. Okay Google, show garage.
Sure, streaming the garage.
That's live and direct. My garage. Pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? So anywhere in your house, you got it in your kitchen, your garage is on the other side. You got it in the baby room. You put the Nest Cam in the baby room. You get to, check in on the baby. Garage, backyard, family room, whatever. The possibilities are endless. So if you're compatible with the Nest, you have any Nest cams, also have, okay Google, stop. Okay Google, set temperature to 80 degrees in bedroom.
Sure, setting the bedroom to 80 degrees.
So that's the Nest thermostat. So I can set the temperature from this Google Home Hub to 80 degrees to whatever I want to set it to. So it's pretty dope. So again, this is the Google Home Hub, 7-inch screen, clear speakers, compatible with the Nest. You can't go wrong. $100 online. Check it out. If you're loving it, go get it. If you're not loving it, sit back and be entertained.